habeas corpus, our habeas corpus. Firstly, I am going with two case references. Conceptual versus State of West Bengal, 1974. 1974. Constitutional versus State of West Bengal, 1974. Then Sunil Bansal versus Delhi administration, 1980. What are there in these two cases? Widened the scope of habeas corpus. Widened the scope of habeas corpus. Okay. Our now question is how? As for example, not example, the summary of these two: inhuman treatment during the incarceration is not permitted and shall attract habeas corpus. That means if the detaining authority during the time of your incarceration is going with the inhuman treatment to you, it is getting meted out to you, which law is going to take care of that? Habeas corpus. That means you are in trouble. That means with the normal legal law, it is not going to be get addressed. Habeas corpus will be there against you. From where? That means that the scope of the habeas corpus has been get widened. Two cases already in your account. Easily you can give your. Actually, in the class, we go with the things that is going to help you in the mains also. There is no other thing that in the mains we have to go with some other thing. Over this thing we are going to write. We go with the integrated preparation. Now listen. Already you have went with the things. In the habeas corpus, it is possible to exercise it against the private individual. Okay. Now I am coming to that part. Private individual. Sita Lakshmi versus Commissioner of Police, Chennai. Here in this particular case, Supreme Court has drawn the silver lining between what? Between missing cases and habeas corpus. Missing cases and habeas corpus. What is this? This Sita Lakshmi was the lady, mother. Her son has went for some errand. Now he didn't come back. So at that time, she approached the police station. That is the normal thing, that as it has been submitted by her, police didn't take the FIR, the miscomplaint. Now, when she couldn't find, that means the authority was not helping her. So she reached to the court and mentioned all these things, that these things has taken place with me. I have experienced this. Now court came out with this thing where the remedy is available through the normal legal law. At that time, the habeas corpus is not going to be get attracted. As for example, if the whatever you are saying that is right, that they didn't take the your FIR, etc., that the erring officials is going to be get taken care of with the already that the procedure established by the law. Second thing, for the missing cases, so the police part already has been get taken care of the law. Now for the missing part also, the IPC section, present day the BNS respective section is there. Law is going to take care of that. So it is not going to attract the habeas corpus, because a lot of case was coming to the court that somebody is missing and they are reaching to the court and filing the habeas corpus. So at that time court came out with this thing. Sita Lakshmi case, one of the prominent case, 2018. One of the prominent case, this Sita Lakshmi case, that the Supreme Court has said missing case should be get treated with that the respective clauses, whatever the sections are there, it is going to be get taken care of. Officials has erred something or went with some kind of the malpractices, that is the respective law is going to take care of. These are not within the ambit of the habeas corpus. Clear? Now habeas corpus for the the personal part, private individual. Where it is possible, as for example, that the custody cases, that is child custody cases, it is possible to exercise the things. Then the family restraining, that means the your present day the cases of or honor killing, that here and there you read this thing, honor killing. In these sort of cases you can file the habeas corpus. As for example, when the disputes are going on, the matrimonial disputes are going on between the parents, court till now came out with some kind of the judgment or order regarding that particular child, whoever he or she is there, regarding the custody, at that time either of the party being aggrieved can exercise the habeas corpus that I have not seen my daughter or the son for the last 8 months. So at that time the court is going to say, okay, have the body before. That means habeas corpus, exercised habeas corpus. But if it is that with the court order or something that the child is residing with that, so at that time court is not going to issue habeas corpus. Okay, clear? Second thing, family restraining. Family restraining means what? These are honor killing cases. As for example, two adults, what is the permissible age of the marriage in India? Two adults have been got married, forget got married, living together. Okay. Now, one natural tendency in this sort of the cases, it remains that who would be the aggrieved, especially for the women it happens, from their home they are going to file one kidnapping or that kind of the cases, or abduction or kidnapping kind of the cases. Against that the male part. Okay. This is one side, kidnapping or the abduction. Another thing remains, filing habeas corpus. Another thing is the filing habeas corpus. Supreme Court came out with this thing that for this kind of the cases, habeas corpus is not going to be get entertained. You can be aggrieved. You being the parents or whoever may it be, you can file the kidnapping or the abduction case. Law is going to take care of that. But as for example, then sir, why sir has written on this side? As for example, two are living together. Then some people have came and forcibly taken her away. Now being aggrieved, দেখো কত সুন্দর এটাকে জয়েন করছি, খুব মন দিয়ে শুনবে, for one understanding, lifetime understanding. Being aggrieved, the partner is filing habeas corpus. This is a normal thing. As for example, you have been got married to someone by fleeing, then from your home some group of people has come, taken you away. So the other partner can file the habeas corpus. The story is not getting ended here. Recently in the newspaper the thing was there. Now the third party also can file. You are the friend of that person. For that reason, when we have started this thing, there we have mentioned stranger. Even if you are one beggar is there, every day you give some food to that person, but you are not finding that person, you have searched enough, you can file habeas corpus. But that the silver lining should be in our mind, that the guideline has been given in the Sita Lakshmi case, because that the beggar can be missing also. So whether it is missing case or attracting real habeas corpus, we have to understand first, otherwise the court is not going to entertain. Clear? So for that reason I was saying that the stranger, regarding this kind of the one elopement case, some few days ago, some 15-20 days ago, one case was there. One Muslim girl was there. So they couldn't trace out one friend of the other, not in any relationship. The friend of the other has filed. As for example, you are every day you are coming to the classes for say for long time. Now one day you are not coming. Initially, I have taken this thing that the people are serious people, maybe you, some kind of the because of weather change or some reason you are not well. Then I am calling your home. Then I am reaching to your home. I am not finding you anywhere. That time I can exercise the habeas corpus to have the body before. It is not a missing case because I have visited every avenue to find you out. One stranger can also do this thing. Clear?